In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in QuickBooks Online. Whether you've made an error in entering a bill or need to remove one for any reason, being able to do this efficiently can save you a lot of time and keep your financial records clean. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, start by navigating to the main dashboard of your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a panel with several options. You want to focus here on the one labeled Expenses. Give that a click, and it will direct you to the Expenses section where all related transactions are listed. You'll now see at the top of this page tabs that help in organizing and locating specific types of expenses. Our interest today, however, is in the Bills tab. So go ahead and select that. This tab is essentially your go-to section for all the bills you've entered into QuickBooks Online, either from vendors or any other service providers your business might interact with. Once you're in the Bills section, you will see a comprehensive list displaying all the bills you've recorded. Take a moment to scroll through this list to locate the specific bill or bills you want to remove. The interface is user-friendly, and the bills will generally be organized in a chronological order, making it simpler for you to find what you're looking for. After you've identified the bill you wish to delete, you'll notice checkboxes adjacent to each listing. Click to check the boxes next to the bills you are targeting for deletion. Upon selecting a bill or multiple bills, QuickBooks will automatically prompt an option to delete these selected entries. It's a feature designed to make multitasking more straightforward and reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks. Once you've selected all the bills you need to delete, look at the options that pop up on your screen. You should see a button labeled Delete. All that's left to do is to give that button a click. And just like that, the bills will be removed from your list. It's important to ensure that these bills are no longer needed for record keeping because this action cannot be undone. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully cleaned up your QuickBooks Bills section. Taking these steps regularly can help maintain accurate financial data and contribute to the smooth operation of your business. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more QuickBooks tips or tricks you wish to learn, don't hesitate to check out our other videos.